English Listening Test for Kids. Level 1, Test 21. 1. What day is it today?
It is Friday.
What day is it today?
It is Friday.
2.
How many books do you have?
I have 6 books.
How many books do you have?
I have 6 books. 3. What do you have?
I have a pencil and a ruler.
What do you have?
I have a pencil and a ruler.
4.
What is your favorite snack?
I like chocolate.
What is your favorite snack?
I like chocolate. 5. How is the dog?
It is angry.
How is the dog?
It is angry.
6.
Where is the monkey?
It is by the bed.
Where is the monkey?
It is by the bed. 7. The boy is fast. The boy is fast. 8. Is it a bee?
No, it is a ladybug.
Is it a bee?
No, it is a ladybug.
9.
What month is your birthday?
It's in October.
What month is your birthday?
It's in October. 10. What is he doing?
He is cooking an egg.
What is he doing?
He is cooking an egg.